How to fix Instagram story archive not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram, so scroll down to the Your App and Media tab and then tap on the archiving and downloading option. Further, go ahead and make sure the Save Story to Archive toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for Save Story to Archive. Now, see if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. And if the issue is still not fixed, then go to your app library and tap hold on the Instagram option you see there. You will then see the option for delete app. Tap on that and then tap on the delete button you see there. And if the issue is still not fixed, then launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, disable any VPN or proxy which can interfere with loading large sets of images, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram story archive not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.